What's up, you guys? All right, I am ready for a day of fall fun. I have on my little bit of merch. Biggest compliment ever is when you guys DM me on Instagram and you're like, can you link the tank top or the sweatshirt that you're wearing? I'm like, oh, that's our merch. Thank you so much. It'll be launching soon. So everything is on Donuts, Dumbbells, and Dreams. The plaid shirt is very cute. The bow is Sewing Sweethearts. I just got a little parcel in of got a pumpkin spice mask, pumpkin spice lip mask, and then I got I'm so basic, everything pumpkin. And then I got this Voluspa. So Andre and I are gonna go to the pumpkin patch today. I'm super excited about that. It is chilly outside, like more chilly than usual for this time of year. So hopefully we're warm enough. We're gonna go do brunch first. We're gonna go shopping. We're just gonna have like a full fun fall day. And the goal is to get everything I need to decorate the front porch, and I might try and recreate what we did in Disney. I don't know, considering the one in Disney is no longer, because that would have not survived. All right, the other thing I wanna show you, because I'm staring at it right now, I think I'm gonna switch into this later and get cozy when I start decorating. All right, stuff is happening. If this is something you wanna see, then just keep watching. We're home. Okay, oh my gosh. Carl, do you want to say hello? Hello, everyone. Would you guys love to see, usually every October I do like a day in the life of Carl and we kind of follow him around all day long. I feel like my hair got like messed up from going outside. Maybe it was always this messy. Hello. Do you want to do a day in the life of Carl and show all of your adventures? So we have all the bins. We're gonna start decorating. I have my treasures that I got today. Listen, my little loafers. I went pumpkin patching with my loafers. So I saw him at the beginning of the season and I was like, you need to be a part of my life. And he's so dapper and just lovely. So he happened, and then I found a pumpkin that kind of matched him. That's like glittery and beautiful. Love that. And then I have a couple mugs. Like, I mean, listen, here's the thing. Do I need more mugs? No. And also, I'm just gonna make the biggest statement of life and hopefully I don't upset anybody. I'm kind of over Rae Dunn. That's terrible, right? I love this. The simplicity of it, it's so cute. And then what else did I found like a little cauldron thing, which I thought would be cute for candies and snacks. Little cauldron thing. You know what I said to Andre? Target breaks you. Because whenever I picked up this mug, I was like, this should be $5 because at Target it would be $5. It's $14.99 Canadian. Target, you ruined me. Okay, so so far this is Michael's. Michael's, we did really well. I got quite a few of these because I thought that they were delightful, and I'm pretty sure I got some at the beginning of the season too, so I think I have extras. Do you think I should do something like sticking out of his, no. I think he's fine that way. Okay, we also went to Lowe's, there was nothing, but we went to Home Sense and Winners, and just as I was gonna say to Andre, I need to find like a dripping wax candle, this stumbled upon me, which I kind of want to do that for the mantle. I'm switching things up this year. You know this. Every single year I look at prior year's videos to know how I did it. This year I'm not allowed to do that. We're starting fresh. We're doing new things because the last thing you want to see is the same thing over and over again too, and I want to experience a new vibe. So what I'm thinking for the mantle is like a very witchy style vibe, and then Andre found a second one, so we got it. I don't feel like it was reasonably priced at all. It's $39.99, but they're pretty. It's not a real candle, it's like a battery operated, but I cannot tell you how long I've wanted like a dripping wax candle. And I would have taken a real one, but fake is probably better. Did I get anything else? Oh, I got a Harry Potter cookbook, and I sent it with Andre to give to my good friend Amanda, because she loves Harry Potter. All right. This is all coming upstairs. We're gonna decorate. I'm gonna bring everything to the front porch. Wait, I'm missing a huge amount of stuff. Oh, it's all in the garage. I got a ton, like when I say a ton of garland, a ton of leaves, like glittery ones, gigantic pumpkins. Everything's in the garage ready to go. What else did I get? Flowers. Like a bunch. And then I'm gonna place an order right now with Instacart for Michael's to get hay bales because it wouldn't have fit in the truck. That's how much stuff we got today. As Andre and I say, the sled was full. So sled's full, which means time to decorate. I hope you guys enjoyed this, like I don't know, what do we call this? Like the kickoff to fall, some fall fun, and we're gonna decorate the outside. I should decorate the porch. I've never decorated the porch. Should I decorate the porch? Thumbs up if I should decorate the porch. Drop your ideas down below. Let's do it. Let's do it. It's happening. Carl, do you think we should decorate the porch? Yes? Blink twice if yes. Not even one. Okay, we're doing it. All right, I will see you guys tomorrow. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Make sure that you are subscribed. Ring the bell so you can get notified, and I'll see you guys next time, which is tomorrow. Bye, dudes.